Hello everyone, my name is Grace Mar. In this video, I'm going to talk to you about the basics of one of the important branches of mathematics, that is trigonometry. The word trigonometry is derived from the Greek words tri, meaning three, gon, meaning sides, and metron, meaning measure. In fact, trigonometry is the study of relationships between sides and angles in a triangle. You have studied about triangle in your previous classes, and in particular a right triangle. Let me draw a right triangle. And name this triangle as A, B, and C. When I say a right triangle, it's because one of the angle is 90 degree. And here angle A and angle C are acute angles. AC is the side opposite to the right angle, so we will call this side as the hypotenuse. And in short, we will write it as capital H. If we consider acute angle C as the reference angle, then AB will be the side opposite to the acute angle C. So this will be opposite side or perpendicular. And in short, we will write it by capital P. BC is a part of angle C, so it is adjacent to acute angle C. We will name this as adjacent side or base. And in short, we will write it by capital B. The sides of these two triangles, it will change when we consider angle A in place of angle C. That is, when we consider acute angle C, BC will become the perpendicular and AB will become the base. And remember this, AC is the longest side of a right triangle. Next comes the term trigonometric ratios. What are trigonometric ratios? It expresses the relationships between angles and sides in a right triangle. There are 6 trigonometric ratios. I will write them down in abbreviated form: sine, cos, tan, cosec, sec, and cot. Now, let's consider the acute angle C. Then we'll write here sine C. That means it is sine of angle C. And in same way, we will write cos of angle C, tan of angle C, and so on. This sine C, we can write perpendicular upon hypotenuse, P upon H. And cos C, it will establish relationships with the base and hypotenuse, that is base upon hypotenuse. And tan will be perpendicular upon base. Now, if you look at the figure, P, P, H. Instead of P, you can write AB. Instead of B, we can write BC. And instead of H, we can write AC. If we substitute this up here, then here in place of B, let's write AB. And H will be AC. B upon H will be BC upon AC. And P upon B will be AB upon BC. Now, 3 trigonometric ratios are left. Cosec C is reciprocal of sine C. Sec C is reciprocal of cos, and cot is reciprocal of tan. If these 3 are the reciprocals of the first 3 trigonometric ratios, then reciprocal of sine will be AC upon AB, and reciprocal of cos will be AC upon BC, and reciprocal of 10 will be BC upon AB. And we can write 10 and cot as the ratio of two primary functions. 10 will be sin C upon cos C. Cot will be cos C upon sin C. Next, let's move on to the applications of trigonometry. What is the use of trigonometry in our daily life? We use in astronomy to measure the distance between two stars, and we use trigonometry in satellite navigation system. We can also use to measure the height of a building or a tower or even your school, or we can measure the width of a river. Let me give few examples. Suppose your school is a 3-story building. You are standing here looking at the top of your school. This is the height of your school. We can imagine that a right triangle is being formed out here. Can you find out the height of your school? Yes, if you know the distance from where you are standing up to your school and this angle, you can find the height of your school. And secondly, there is a river. A girl is sitting here looking at the tree that is on the other bank of the river. If you know the height from the ground up to which the girl is sitting, you can find the width of the river by using trigonometry. That's all for today. Thank you.